Let's look at the daily calendar journal for December. This is perfect for young kids and can be found on Amazon. Just simply search Blooming Brilliant Homeschoolers, and it's perfect for teaching your children calendar skills. Let's get into it. So inside, you'll see that we have everything you need to start learning those basic skills of writing and just keeping track, and also like learning about the calendar. So for each day of December that you do school, you can add a little sticker to the chart, and you could do little drawings in each of the squares. We have a little information page which talks about how December is the 12th month of the year, the abbreviation for December, as well as the number of the month, to help kids know that there's different ways that you can write the month out. We have a days of school tally chart, so they can learn how to do tally marks and count up the days of the school for the month of December. You just tally chart right there, and at the end of the month in the circle, you put in the total. You can also trace the month of December, which helps them to learn the spelling and practice their handwriting. We also have I can write my name. So depending on how big they write and how their name is, you can write it twice a week, one in the beginning of the week, one at the end of the week. And at the end of the month, you really see the progress in their handwriting. Then we have a calendar. So you trace December, you fill out the calendar, you can put any important days and just keep track of the days of the month. And then on the bottom, we have some questions about weather and the seasons and just tracking all that, which you'll see on the next page. You can go back to the calendar here and fill that out based on the weather tracking, which is here. This is where you track the weather for each day. You can mark if it's sunny, cloudy, windy, rain, snow, all of that for the month. And then we have our daily pages, and this is Monday, and you can color at the top what day it is. You put in, you can put the abbreviation, or you can write out what day it was today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Trace Monday, color in what number day it is it odd or even, put the numbers for today, yesterday, and tomorrow, and then write out the number as a word. And then we have what time it is. You're going to track the time now on an analog clock, and then write it for digitally, what it was an hour ago and what time will be in 3 hours. You can also check the temperature for the day and what you will wear, like how you will dress based on the temperature. And then we have a days in school. So back when we did the tracking of how many days of school with the stickers and the chart, in the tally chart, you can mark how many days of school it is. So that works on place value skills as well as money, because I'd say now put it into money. So if it was 55 days of school, how much, if you had these coins, how would we work that out to be 55 cents, for example. And we have Saturday and Sunday included in the journal, just in case you want to practice the weekends, or if you want to do school on the weekends. Since we homeschool, it's really up to you how you want to do it, but it's part of the week, it's part of the month, so it's all good practice. And at the end of the book, you have some reading logs, so you can track what you're reading for the month. And that's our daily calendar journal. Again, you can pick this up on Amazon. Simply search Blooming Brilliant Homeschoolers.